New Chinese themes pack for Xiaomi Global.
Always on display theme. Music art on lock screen. Dynamic island. Double tap to custom. Wallpapers. A lot of things wallpapers. Depth effects. Charging animation. Clock widgets. Lock screen clock widget. Home screen clock widgets. Import your wallpapers. First, import original file JPG. Second, import background transparent file PNG. Change to your wallpaper. Custom text widget. Enter any text. Tap to choose text widget. Text in dynamic island. Text under battery widget. Custom widget style. Text on bottom bar. Next theme. Tap to change clock widget. Dark mode or light mode. Control center. Dark mode or light mode. Depth effect. Change language. Chong lock screen wallpaper. Next theme. change lock screen wallpaper. All themes include one backup file in video description. You can use it to restore on global devices.
If you don't know how to do it, watch video in description.
Thanks for watching my video. See you in next video coming soon.